Hello guys. My name is Lily, and in this video, I am going to walk you through how to make a public profile on Snapchat so that you can have a subscribe button and establish a Snapchat following instead of simply messaging your peers and family members. Let's get started right away because it's really simple and quick. To have this feature, make absolutely sure you have the most recent version of the Snapchat app, and then go ahead and open up your app. Now on Snapchat, tap on the profile button at the upper left side of the screen, and then click the setting gear right here. And then scroll down until you see Who Can section. You can tweak these options for everyone if you are trying to make your account public and start to grow a following. Now, to make this one a public profile, I can either hit the three dots and create a public profile from that. Or I can also simply touch that over here. And one of these two options should be available to you if you have the latest version of the app. If you're not seeing it, it's because it's not yet available in your country or region. Go ahead and click it right here. So tap Continue. And now it says Build your public profile, so let's just go ahead and tap Get Started here. And then it explains that by creating a public profile, your name will appear on any snaps you've ever posted to Spotlight or to Snap Maps, and any lenses you've made or marked as searchable will also appear on your profile. However, you can simply delete this profile at any time if you want to. So let's create it. And now you have successfully made your profile public. Let me just go here since we need to update this public profile. Now edit your profile first. If you want to add a profile picture, you can select any image from your camera roll and set it as your profile picture. And if you really want to share your location, you can do so. You can also hide or show your number of subscribers. Let me just select a preview profile. And here is how it will appear when people visit my account. Now people can subscribe from here, and almost everything, even my highlights, should show up here. And creating a public profile on Snapchat is that simple. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more quick tutorial videos like this one. Thanks for watching.